So what's better than having some cool carnival games to win some fun prizes? Well, what's better is an interactive Ferris wheel. It's not the real Ferris wheel. Those are very expensive. This is a great Ferris wheel for young kids. It can be run at a side station. It can be literally playing, throwing stuff on the side, or you can utilize this as a combo play center. It's got a slide, it's got a crawl up, it's got bop up, squeeze wall, characters, and it's got a little basketball set in there that they can play in. So it keeps the kids super busy. It's a huge piece. At nighttime, we have LED holders on there. The whole thing lights up with LED. Looks just fantastic. It's a big piece, but it's very worth it. If you need high volume, you want to go Carnival, and or you're looking for something that's just got a lot of wow factor. Ferris wheel is always a showstopper for everybody doing your next event.